Hey everyone, it's Alison, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super close to my heart because we're going to be talking about something truly magical, crystal necklaces. I've always been drawn to the beauty of crystals, but lately I've been learning so much about their incredible energy and how they can enhance our lives. Are you ready to dive into the enchanting world of crystal necklaces with me? Let's get started! First up, we have the stunning purple hues of Amethyst, which might just be my favorite crystal ever. Seriously, have you ever seen anything so gorgeous? But Amethyst is so much more than just a pretty face. This crystal is like a warm hug for your soul, radiating tranquility and peace. It's known for its incredible calming properties, making it the perfect companion for anyone who struggles with stress or anxiety. Wearing an amethyst necklace is like having a little pocket of serenity with you wherever you go. Whenever I feel a wave of anxiety coming on, I just touch my amethyst pendant, take a deep breath, and feel the tension melt away. Let's move on to our next magical gem. Next, we're diving into the soft rosy glow of rose quartz, the ultimate crystal of love. And when I say love, I'm not just talking about romantic love, although it's amazing for that too. Rose quartz is all about opening your heart to all forms of love, self-love, love for friends and family, and even love for all beings. If you're feeling a little down or disconnected, wearing a rose quartz necklace can work wonders. It's believed to help heal emotional wounds, mend broken hearts, and attract loving energy into your life. So if you're ready to embrace the power of love in all its beautiful forms, rose quartz might just become your new best friend. Get ready to feel the sunshine vibes because next up we have the bright and cheerful citrine. This vibrant yellow crystal is like a burst of sunshine on a cloudy day, radiating joy, abundance, and positive energy. Citrine is often called the merchant stone because it's believed to attract wealth, prosperity, and success. Wearing a citrine necklace can boost your confidence, ignite your creativity, and inspire you to chase after what truly makes you happy. It's like having a little cheerleader by your side, reminding you of your limitless potential. So, if you're ready to manifest your dreams and embrace a life filled with joy and abundance, citrine is the crystal for you. Okay, let's get real for a second. We all know the world can be a bit overwhelming sometimes, right? That's where our next crystal, black tourmaline, comes in, like a superhero in disguise. This powerful crystal is like a protective shield, deflecting negative energy and guarding you from any harmful vibes. It's like having your own personal bodyguard, but way more stylish. Wear a black tourmaline necklace to feel grounded, centered, and protected throughout the day. It's like having a little bubble of peace around you, even in the midst of chaos. And if you're feeling particularly vulnerable or anxious, hold your black tourmaline pendant in your hand, take a few deep breaths, and visualize all that negativity being absorbed by the crystal. Last but certainly not least, we have the incredible clear quartz, often referred to as the master healer. This crystal is like a blank canvas ready to amplify your intentions and enhance the energy of other crystals. Think of clear quartz as a powerful amplifier for your thoughts and desires. It absorbs, stores, releases, and regulates energy, making it incredibly versatile and beneficial for any situation. Wearing a clear quartz necklace can help you gain clarity, enhance your focus, and bring balance to your mind, body, and spirit. It's like having a personal assistant for your energy, helping you to achieve your highest potential. So if you're looking for a crystal that can do it all, clear quartz is your go-to. It's like having a secret weapon in your crystal collection. Wow! Can you believe how many incredible benefits these crystal necklaces offer? From promoting peace and love to attracting abundance and protection, there's a crystal out there for everyone and every intention. It's like carrying a little piece of nature's wisdom with you, reminding you of your own inner strength and beauty. I encourage you to explore the world of crystals and discover which ones resonate with you the most. Trust your intuition and choose the crystals that call to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me on this magical journey today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more crystal-infused content. Until next time, stay sparkly.